Hey guys, this here is Getaway Driver 101, and today I'm going to be giving y'all an explanation on how to get lots of repair kits. I was giving repair kits away in the anomaly just a few minutes ago. So here's the easiest way to get repair kits in the game for new players or maybe older players that may have forgot about it, or maybe you're just somebody that's just trying to fix a sentinel ship or maybe a weapon or a multi-tool and you're just wanting to keep what you have. Um, Either way, this works for just about any repair. It does not work for installing the technology, it only works for doing repairs. Um, but for repairing the technology, it requires repair kits. Now, you can get repair kits from the Outlaw space stations, you can get a lot of them. Sometimes you can get 3 or 4, sometimes you can get up to like 12. Um, but they also supply packets for technology, which is also a good bonus. It gives you a good amount of technology to go through for you to find what you need or whatnot, and you can also make lots of nanites off of the outlaw stations. The outlaw stations are honestly one of the best space stations in No Man's Sky to this day, even though there's been dozens of updates and dozens of new things that have came out. The outlaw space stations are still one of the best things that they could have ever put in the game. And here's why. From here you can buy technology packets, repair kits, shield ship batteries, technology packets, look at that, 8 of them, packets, tech packets. So you can buy all that stuff, and then you can just sit and open the stuff and get supplies and upgrades and tools, and maybe even some other equipment, maybe even multi-tool unlocks, or maybe even shield upgrades, anything like that. You can use this as a place to loot or a place to build currency. You can sit here and sell all your pieces and parts and make nanites. I've been spending my nanites a lot lately. I've already upgraded my ship and my multi-tool because they are sentinel-based weapons. Sentinel-based ships give a lot more power for the default items. With it being all S class, and if this here was to get up to A or S class, it would be better than most of the S class ships in the game. Not all of them, but most of them. So I do recommend outlaw space stations to new players, to maybe regular players, older players, anybody who really doesn't know that you can come here and get repair kits and technology packets for upgrades. Upgrades will give you a lot of things, a lot of resources, random items, install kits, all kinds of stuff. So I hope this helped you if you're new to the game. I hope this helped you if you're somebody who is an older player and maybe forgot that there is this feature in the game, I guess you could say. Either way, it's there for everybody. Thanks for watching, like or subscribe, and I will see you all next time.